Our Stage 2 package for the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 Series diesel, built around real-world torque, reliability and consistency. It combines custom ECU and transmission calibration, an upgraded supplementary heat exchanger and a DPF-back 3.5-inch exhaust system. The package is designed specifically for towing, touring and harsh summer desert conditions. Each vehicle undergoes a full pre-tuning inspection and at least an oil and filter service. This ensures it doesn't have that dreaded 0W20 engine oil installed. We use a 530, C2 or C3. The 020 is too thin, it breaks down and it causes nothing but chaos. Our ECU calibration focuses on controlled torque delivery, mitigation of the cutout, which is sustained typically during harsh cornering, minimising turbo surge under load, improving throttle response and delivering consistent economical behaviour. The outcome is typically a 110 to 120 Nm torque increase at all four wheels, over stock, while retaining all thermal protection strategies. As a part of our Stage 2 package, we install a supplementary heat exchanger upgrade, which works in series with the factory units. The heat exchanger upgrade adds additional cooling capacity due to its cast tanks, plate and bar core design, and additional 5 litres of coolant capacity. It lowers charge air temperatures by an impressive 40% from around 80 degrees down to 35 degrees. And this is despite the increase in boost with tuning. This means cooler, denser air, more stable combustion, and more consistent delivery, especially when towing, climbing, or driving in hot, humid conditions. The 3.5-inch stainless exhaust system from DPF-back also further assists in thermal management, sharpens pedal response, improves efficiency, and provides a slightly more pronounced exhaust note. No BS, no gimmicks, no shortcuts. We provide quality, lasting results done right the first time.